Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how to add a section divider onto our section. Let's get started. So go to the section where you want to place your divider. Then on the action bar above, go to Section Divider, this little icon over here. A window will open where you can see different types of dividers that you can choose from. You can also, by the way, add a divider to the bottom part of your section or to the top part of your section. It's up to you. I will just be placing one for the bottom for now. By the way, if you want to see more shapes options, then go to more shapes and a window will open which will display different divider designs that you can choose from. So feel free to choose one that you'd like to use. Once you find something that you like, click on it and click on Choose File, and it should successfully be added to your section. And if you ever want to customize it specifically, if you want to change its color, then go to Customize Design over here, go to Fill Colors, click on this color picker tool, and select the color you'd like to use. Once you're done, you can safely close this window and your changes will automatically be saved within the Wix Harmony Editor. And there you have it, a very pretty divider. Hope you guys found today's video of help, and if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.